Good morning, guys. Today I will be working on the white Jetta, and I have been wanting to remove this guy here. I don't think I will be towing with the Jetta and do not like the look with a tow hitch on a Mark 1 Jetta. So in this video I will show you how to remove this tow hitch. So it doesn't look like there's much going on to hold it onto the car. Looks like there's just 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 nuts and bolts holding it into the rear bumper of the car. Now let's remove those and see if it comes off. Alright, so I'm going to take these side off first. It's going to be a 17mm. Be a U-bolt holding it in. And the tow hitch is off. If anybody's interested, I will probably be selling this guy for a Mark 1 Jetta. So now this is how it looks, and let's take a look at it under. And that's how they bolted it in. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I see you guys next time.